place, in your face. It's your boy. That boy can cook. Back at you once again. And today, as you see by the community board, we are doing a hot pocket. Simple hot pocket. Very simple. Don't forget, family, like, comment, subscribe, even share it. Share it with your people. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. Now let's get to this pepperoni pizza hot pocket. All right, now, family, this is everything we're going to need for our hot pockets, pizza pockets, whatever you want to call them. All right, you got your favorite pizza sauce, so you can make your homemade pizza sauce. I got a can of pizza crust. You can make fresh pizza crust, homemade pizza crust if you choose to. I got about 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan. I got 4 tablespoons of butter. I got a teaspoon of Italian seasoning and a teaspoon of garlic powder. All right, family, let's get it put together. And oh yeah, the pepperonis. All right, family, now that we have our pizza dough out of the can, pulled and stretched out, and how I do mine to make my size I want them, just fold it to the desired length I want it. And then we're just going to take our pizza cutter. There we go. Let's do that again. There we go. All right, family. This is what our beginning of our hot pockets is going to look like. I just cut them. I try to get them as evenly as possible. So next, I'm just halving them. Just gonna eyeball it, and we're just gonna half them. All right, everybody. Now it's time to fill these bad boys. So I'm just using a regular old tablespoon and tablespoon worth of sauce. We want to spread it out a little bit, as such. Right now for the cheese. So just gonna take a pinch of cheese, maybe a tablespoon or so. And let's get all of these cheese up. Like such. Right, let's add the pepperonis. Put about 4 in each one. Now let's hit it with some more cheese. There we go. As such. All right, now we got our cheese on there, so let's hit each one this time with a half tablespoon of our pizza sauce. Just a half, just so it won't be dry. Go. All right, family, now let's turn these into pockets. All right, and it would be much easier, you guys, if you guys have parchment paper on hand. I didn't have any and forgot to grab some from the store, so we got to work with what we have. So you just want to pour your dough out to give it room to fold, as such. Then you just want to fold it and kind of be gentle. You don't want to rip your dough. So fold it and get it even as such. Alrighty, get it. There we go. Let's pinch our dough together down here. Pinch it all around on the sides to make sure nothing gets loose. Alright, and take our fork here, and then we're just going to seal it. Just seal it. As such. Let's make sure we get our sides. Alright. Let's get this side, y'all. Alrighty. Now let's get these others made. All right, family, let's finish our last one. As you can see, I got the other ones done. Let's just one more for the road so we can all see how to get them folded into pockets. All right. As such, get that cheese in there. There we go. And first, we're just gonna seal it with our fingers. Make sure everything is in there. There you go. Put that there. Let's take our fork. And let's make our seal. After this, we're going to take our pizza and pizza cutter, forgive me, and we're going to clean the edges up just a little bit. So they don't be too out the way. Right. And when you're doing this, you don't want to cut below your indentions, because that'll just loosen it right back up. So we're just gonna, this one is okay. Don't have to do too much trimming on that one. Let's get this one trimmed just a little bit. There we go. All right, family. Now let's get our pizza pockets coated. All right, let's take our butter. We're just gonna add our Italian seasoning and our garlic powder. And we're just gonna melt this butter and come back and brush our pizza pockets. All right, everyone, as you can see, pizza pockets are done. I got them on the rack. Like I say, family, it's better if you have parchment paper. You don't have to worry about them sticking, and you don't want to rip them. So let's just brush them with our Italian seasoning, butter, and garlic. Let's just get a nice amount on there. Go. Make sure you get it all over the edges, the top, the whole shebang. All right, family, we got them all brushed and glazed and looking pretty. So at this point, family, if you wanted to, you can wrap them in parchment paper and then wrap them in plastic wrap, and you can freeze them. So right now, we're just chopping these boys off with some Parmesan, some grated Parmesan. And we're gonna throw these in the oven at 425 for like 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. We will be back with the finished results. Here we go. Boys and girls, we are done. Hot pockets in the face. Look at that. Now, I'm thinking I should have put more pepperonis in there. So in the description, when I do the ingredients, ingredients and the measurements. I'm gonna make sure we put more pepperonis in there. You want it to be fat. It's a little flat. You want it to be fat, but it's still delicious. It got the house smelling like a piece of meal up in here. You hear me? There it is. Oh, so good. That boy can cook, y'all. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, even share it. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. That being said, that boy can cook. Out the place, at your face.